Hello, this is Mark Krupp. This video is about how to place eBay affiliate links in your web pages and in your blog posts. eBay is often overlooked by affiliate marketers, and part of that is because it can be a real hassle because you have these ads always constantly expiring. Fixed ads, they usually expire after about 30 days. Your auction ads, they can expire in 1 day, 7 days, 14 days. It can drive you nuts. You're always redoing your affiliate links because these ads are expiring. Well, there's this new tool called EzBay Pro, which I'm going to demonstrate later on how to solve this problem. Let's look at eBay's tools first. So you can look at that. It's a free tool. And basically what happens is, in order to be an affiliate marketer of eBay, you first have to apply to their eBay partner network. You have to have a running site, you have to have good traffic, and you have to have good content. Once they've reviewed your site, then they let you go ahead and place affiliate links. Now, I'm going to go on that right now. And they have these tools. I'm in the tool tag right now, and I'm going to generate a link to put on my web page. Now, you go down here and you're going to have two choices. One's eBay and one's half.com. Half.com is more for selling books, music, and things like that. eBay is for selling items. So that's what I'm going to choose here. Then I got to choose a program. I'm going to choose US. I live in the US. And then I'm also going to choose item ID. Now I got to go to eBay to find my ID. Now you can get it up here in the URL, or you can go down here to the description here, and over here is your eBay item number. So I'm just going to highlight that and do a Control-C to copy it. And then I got to go back to my eBay partner network. And then I just place that in here, Control-V to paste. Now I'm not going to pick geo-target. I'm going to, for several reasons. One, if I did, all I would get was JavaScript, and I want HTML script. So that's the main reason I'm not picking it today. Now, when you first join eBay Partner Network, you have to set up a campaign. If you don't set up a campaign, you won't get paid. Now, you can set up as many campaigns as you want. I already have one established called Tense, and I'm gonna also use this custom ID because I want to see how this affiliate link performs over time. So you can call it anything you want. I'm just going to use mountaineering tent, and I'm also going to use that as my link, my text link in my text. So I'm going to pick mountaineering tent, and then you just hit this button and it generates the code. Now what you'll get initially is the JavaScript code. And I'm going to hit this right here, and I'm going to get the HTML. All you have to do is sort of click in the box and then do a Control-C to copy it. And then you bring it over to your site. Now, this is the page that I want to place it in. I have to go to Edit, Post. Now, when you're doing this, you also have to go into the text mode. And that's where you're going to see all the crazy HTML and all that stuff. Then you got to go and search for where you want to put it. I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to highlight this mountaineering tent, and I'm going to do a Control-V, and then that places the code in there, and then I just have to hit the update button, okay, and then view post. Okay, and then if I go down here and click on this mountaineering tent, it brings me to my ad. Now, I'm going to show you a different tool. EzBay Pro. I got introduced to this tool through EasyAzon, and I was just absolutely super impressed with that tool. And once I heard that they had a tool for eBay, I just had to have it because this guy writes great software. So the cool thing about this, it solves eBay's affiliate problems. The biggest one is that your ads expire. And this software basically just automatically replaces an expired ad with a new one. And so you can basically fix it and forget it. And you know, I mean, you can change things around if you want, but you're not constantly doing this maintenance, which can take just hours and hours and hours. The other thing is it just makes it so much easier to place an affiliate link. Now, for instance, I mean, if you're using eBay tools, you're going to be running around from eBay to eBay Partner Network to your site, and it just gets crazy. And then you got to do it in the HTML, and it's just harder to do. The other reason I like this product is that it creates better links that sell more, that gets more click-throughs. I mean, you can, you know, for instance, with the eBay tools, you can go and create a text link, and that's going to do, you know, maybe some people will click through it if it's contextual and so on and so forth. You can also create an image link if you want. It's difficult to do. You got to get an image, you got to link it up. Sometimes, you know, you'll have some sellers, you know, that create banners, and occasionally you can use those too. But unfortunately, oftentimes there isn't, you know, any creative, you know, links that you can place in your site. So let's look at this. Now, first off, let's just go to the settings page. Once you install this program into your website, you can set up your defaults, and then that just simplifies things from there on out. You put in your campaign thing, and so then you're not going to be asked that all the time. It's all done. You can pick you know, most watched items, item search results, popular items, and related items. I tend to like most watched items because, you know, that's where all the interest is. You can pick block ads, or you can pick a list of links, and that's just text links. I prefer block links. You can pick to display anywhere from 1 to 20 ads if you want. I'm going to pick the United States, and now this default category here, I'm going to pick tense, and I'll show you in a minute how you do this here. The other cool thing they have is auto insert. If you check this enable auto insert for posts, it will insert these ads on the bottom of every single post automatically. Yeah, I mean, you can just set it and forget it, and it's done. You know, so you can, again, you can pick, you know, you have your choices here, and then you can pick as many ads as you want to display, and then you can, this is how you do it basically. You just press on that, and now for instance, I'm going to go to sporting goods, and then you get the children, and you pick, you know, for instance, outdoor sports, and you keep on going down the road here, and you pick, you just, you know, for instance here, you go to camping and hiking, get the children, and then you can pick tents and canopies, get the children, and then you can pick tents. That's basically how, and then you just save your changes, basically. Okay, so let's go back to my page. Now we're down at the bottom of the page here on my post, and these are the ads that EzBay Pro placed on the bottom of my post. And these, you have to admit, these ads are going to be a lot more effective at getting click-throughs. I mean, you got a picture, you got information about the product, you got the current price, and if it's an auction item, they're going to tell you when this item is going to expire. That's going to get more click-throughs. But the main beauty is that when this ad expires, they're going to automatically replace it. It's basically, you know, place it and forget it. You're never going to have to go back and do all this maintenance that's usually required when you're dealing with eBay. So I would really recommend EzBay Pro. It makes being an eBay affiliate marketer a whole lot easier and manageable to do. Thank you. I hope you make a lot of money being an eBay affiliate. I'll talk to you later.
To get more detailed information about why you should seriously reconsider being an eBay affiliate, click on a link listed in the description at the bottom of this movie to go to an article about this subject on forpassiveincome.com. You can learn more about how to make money from the eBay Partner Network affiliate program by clicking on the link that's listed in the description below this movie.